A farmer moves along the boundary of a square field of say 10 meter in 40 seconds. What will be the magnitude of displacement of the farmer at the end of 2 minutes and 20 seconds from his initial position? So in the question there is a square field of side 10 meter, 10, 10, 10 and 10. Okay, let's mark the corners of the square as A, B, C, D. And the question is clearly given that to travel one round along the boundary of the field, the farmer takes 40 seconds. That is, to travel 40 meter, the farmer takes 40 seconds. Okay, how to get this 40 meter? Suppose if the initial position is B, okay, if the initial position is B, initial position of farmer is B, it takes farmer 40 seconds to travel along the boundary of the field. That's what is given in the question. That is, to cover this distance, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, 40 meter. That's this, the perimeter of the square. Okay. So from this it's clearly understood that to travel 1 meter, the farmer takes 40 by 40. That is 1 second. The farmer takes 1 second to travel 1 meter. So what we need to find is the displacement at the end of 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Here 2 minutes and 20 seconds means 140 seconds. Okay, 2 minutes and 20 seconds means 2 into 60 seconds plus 20 seconds, which is 140 seconds. Okay, I hope you understood that. So what we need to find is the displacement at the end of 140 second. Okay, so if consider the initial position of the farmer as B, and it travels 40 meter in 40 seconds. Okay, then in another 40 seconds it covers a distance of 80 meter. That is, now it has traveled 80 meter in 80 seconds, 2 rounds along the field. Then the third round it travels a distance of 120 meter in 120 seconds. So now after a third round, it is at the position B, covering a distance of 120 meter in 120 seconds. Next, in 130 seconds, it covers a distance of 130 meter. And next, here it is, now it is at the position D, it covers a distance of 140 meter at 140 seconds. So what we need is not distance but displacement. The distance here is clear, it is 140 meter in 140 seconds, but what we need is displacement, and displacement, as we know, is the shortest distance between initial and final position, and that here is BD. What we need is a measure of BD, and how to find that? Simple, by Pythagoras theorem. And we know Pythagoras theorem is base square plus height square is equal to hypotenuse square. So here BD will be, by using Pythagoras theorem, BD will be root of AD square plus AB square. Okay, AD square plus AB square, which will be root of AD square plus AB square will be 10 square plus 10 square, that will be root 200, 100 plus 100, that will be 10 root 2 meter. Okay, 10 root, that's 2. Okay, I'll correct it. It will be 10 root 2 meter. If you want to find some more accurate value, we can give the value of root 2 would be around 1.4, that is equal to 10 into 1.4, that will be 14 meter. So this is the answer. This will be the displacement of the farmer at the end of 2 minutes and 20 seconds from his initial position. Thank you. If you like the video, please do subscribe the channel.